Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm late for a water baptism at church. I'm a photographer at church, so today we're having water baptism. Today is Friday the 15th of April. And we're having water baptism at church. So I'm going to take you guys along so you can interact. I'm going to be interacting with some people with it's just seeing how the water baptism goes.
Go back and walk back.
I'm back in water baptism. So honestly, a big thank you to everyone that came along to join with me, watched till the end of the video. And today my friends are getting baptized. Steven, Elwon, and many of my friends are getting baptized today. So I was able to shoot parts of their baptism because I was busy with other stuff, so I couldn't get everything at the same time. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.